Understanding Lane Conditions, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, lane conditions. This term is often used in different contexts, and understanding its nuances can be quite helpful in both everyday and specialized conversations. Let's dive in and unravel the meanings and uses of lane conditions. Lane conditions refers to the state or quality of a lane. A lane here could mean a narrow road, a path, or a specific part of a road designated for a particular purpose. The word conditions refers to the circumstances or state of something. So, when combined, lane conditions generally talks about the status, quality, or circumstances of a particular lane or path. In everyday language, lane conditions might be used to describe the status of traffic lanes. For example, a weather report might mention slippery lane conditions during winter, indicating that the roads are icy and possibly dangerous. Here, the phrase is used to inform or warn drivers about the driving circumstances they might encounter. In sports, especially bowling, lane conditions can have a specialized meaning. It refers to the oil pattern on the bowling lane, which can affect how the ball moves. Bowlers need to understand the lane conditions to adjust their play style for better performance. In transportation and traffic management, lane conditions can refer to the status of specific lanes on a highway or road, like whether they are open, closed, or under construction. It's crucial for traffic reports and helps in planning travel routes. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of lane conditions. Whether it's a simple road condition report or a technical term in sports, understanding this phrase can enrich your English vocabulary and comprehension. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more insightful language learning videos.